Meaning of efficiently.
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 Efficiently. Efficiently refers to doing something in a way that maximizes productivity and minimizes wasted effort or resources. When a task is done efficiently, the desired outcome is achieved quickly and effectively, with minimal errors or delays. Efficiency often involves optimizing processes, identifying bottlenecks, and streamlining workflows. For example, an efficient manufacturing process would minimize waste while producing high-quality products at a rapid pace. Efficient use of time could involve setting clear priorities, minimizing distractions, and focusing on high-value tasks. Ultimately, being efficient leads to better results in less time and with fewer resources.